Alright, so we're trying this Basin Wrench on here, and we're able to get it to turn just a hair. I think we can get it loose. See what happens there. If I get sprayed with any Freon. If I get my hand in here. Tricky to turn it. It should seal. Undo it. Yep, hear it? Alright. And there's your valve. Or switch. Alright. It's just like a little bicycle tube Schrader valve, they call it. Alright, so we take the new one. And I think we're just going to put it on dry with nothing. So we'll thread it on there. Get started. Now we got to give it a good turn of my hand to pierce that, get that valve to pierce. Set. Oh my. Alright, now we'll flip over our Basin Wrench to the other side. We'll snake it down in there again. I just want to get a little bit of light. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of a turn. Just enough to snug it. Nothing crazy. That feels pretty snug right there. A little more. A little bite. Right there. That feels good. Alright. Now we take our plug. And we got to turn it a little bit here to get it fit back on. And it snaps in place. Alright, let's replace a low pressure switch on the air conditioner for a 1997 Ford Taurus Wagon. There's your little secret of the day. Basin wrench for stuff that's not put in very tight. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Alright, see what happens.